Well, hello, beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me, and I definitely appreciate that. So all of the new people stopping by my channel, hi, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey, y'all. So today's vlog, you guys, is pretty much just going to be like a day in the life. So if you want to see what all happens on this vlog, then definitely keep on watching. Well, good morning, beautiful people. I hope everyone is having a great day. We are going to be having an eventful day today, so y'all already know the deal. I'm going to take y'all with me. But the first stop on this vlog is going to be Target, of course. Got to get some little odds and ends and do some vlogging, so let's go. Or are y'all trying to stay in the car? All right, let's go.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill.
So Joe and I have really been trying to incorporate family days with the kids, and not only that, but also doing like individual dates with them where we like either go out to eat or whatever the case may be. And so on this particular day, there was a food truck festival in our town. So downtown in our area, it was a food truck festival. I have found out as of today that it was close to 100,000 people at this food truck fest. The food truck fest is called Foodies. So it's a traveling food truck festival, and they have all different types of food trucks, vendors, and some people have tables set up. Some people actually have the food truck. Y'all, it was so many different types of foods. Like the lines were insane. And so we walked through first to kind of get an idea of what it was that we wanted to eat. There was actually 3 full streets of nothing but vendors. So we did a walkthrough, looked at everything, and then on our way back, that's when we decided to
show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
food, just so that way we weren't walking around with all the food. But what I will say is this: if you are ever going to a festival where there's food being served and you're trying to do samples and things of that nature, bring you some grocery bags and a roll of aluminum foil. I say this all the time. Also, try and bring some paper plates if you can, so that way you can add the extra layer of protection. And so luckily Nora is still in her stroller, and so we have the little basket part up under the stroller where we can house all of the food and all that good stuff. So that way when it's time for you to get everything and go back to your car, everything is in a grocery bag, everything is wrapped in aluminum foil, and you can decrease like things spilling or falling out. So take that little tidbit with you. Literally, you can grab all of those things from the dollar store and save yourself so much time and energy. But all in all, you guys, we had an absolute ball at this food truck festival. When they come back, which they're coming back November 1st of next year, when they come back, I'm going to be prepared, and we're actually going to go to the food truck festival like literally as soon as it opens, just because like y'all, these lines are so long. It's so many people. And by the time we finished, like I was ready to go. Joe and I were peopled out. Like it was just so many people. So if you have the opportunity to go to a foodies food truck festival in your town, then definitely hit them up. You will not be disappointed.
Without you, I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby.
So like I mentioned, we got all of our food when we were leaving. Leah got a Philly cheesesteak. Joe got some pizza. I think it was like a Chicago style pizza. I can't remember. I ended up getting wings and fries, and Carmen just wanted an icy because we were going to her best friend's party after this, so she wanted to have an appetite for the party. And so yeah, so we definitely indulged in some food and really had a good time, besides it being all those people. But let me know down in the comments below if you have ever been to a food truck festival and what was your experience. But that's going to be it for this video, you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.
So come give me love.